In this very quick and simple tutorial, we're going to be saving a PNG in Adobe Photoshop. So I'm just inside Adobe Photoshop here, and I've got two layers. The top layer is which I've got my logo, and I've got a background layer here, which is just the standard background layer. I would recommend, if you want a transparent background, to delete the background layer. So select the background layer, go to the trash can, and select that and press yes. That will leave you with this transparency in the background with just this one logo layer. To export this as a PNG with a transparent background, we need to go to File, then go down to Export, and we need to go to this Save for Web Legacy here. Click on that and up pops this dialog box. In the drop down at the top here, you'll see JPEG, and we need to then go to PNG 24. That will give it the transparency we need. I'm going to up the scale of my logo to 1000 pixels. And once we're happy with that, I'm going to click on Save. And then we're going to save this in our folder, logo-1000 pixels. And then press Save. And there you have your logo saved as a PNG file with a transparent background. If you want to support the channel, feel free to subscribe. And if you want a little bit extra, head over to my Patreon account where you can check out some behind the scenes footage and download lots of the different assets that I create on this YouTube channel.